Today we're looking at part number 12011-1. This is your 10,000 pound, 12,000 pound, and 16,000 pound oil cap with the rubber plug and the O-ring for the Rockwell American trailer axles. A lot of people don't know that you can actually use this same cap on the Alco axles and the Hayes axles. So that information right there comes in really handy, because as you know, Dexter bought them out, just like they bought out Rockwell, and they quit producing those parts. So if you can find those parts, they're very expensive. So this is a great alternative right here for a decent price. Rockwell American oil cap 12011-1. It'll also work with the Kodiak disc brakes as well. So that's also good knowledge. And you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, and we'd be glad to help you out. Oh, and just so you know, the diameter is 3 3/4, just so if y'all were wondering. Thanks for watching.